So let me show you how to use the AutoPO module to auto-generate purchase orders to maintain a certain level, okay, quantity level. So first off, let's go to the AutoPO section. So purchasing AutoPO. This will open up the AutoPO wizard. We'll go ahead and select next. You can decide if you want to create purchase orders for a given store or a group of stores. We'll go and do multi-stores and what type of PO, right? Whether it's a single store PO, one store per PO, or a multi-store PO, all stores on a single PO. We'll go and do that. We'll do a multi-store dropship PO. What the PO number will look like. In this case, we're asking that the vendor code be placed behind the PO number. And to do that, you simply put the vendor code above this horizontal line. And here's an example. Hit next. Any defaults, default associate, default dates, and then the analysis screen. And here's the PO analysis screen, and then the field level details. Okay, so here on this section, what you want to do is you want to check this box. Do not use min level as the reorder point. So by checking this setting, you're saying, or you're agreeing with the statement, do not use my min level, right? Don't use my min level to determine if I should place an order. So in other words, always place an order up to the max level, or up to the min level, or up to some custom level between the min and the max, right? So for example, 50%. If your min's 10, your max is 30, 50% would be 20. 0% would be the same as min, 100% would be the same as max. Okay, so as an example, let's say max. So here's what's going to happen. If you're not using your min level as a reorder point and you need to order up to max, you are effectively maintaining the max quantity level all the time. So if you have an item that is at quantity 15 right now, okay, and you run the AutoPO module, then Retail Pro will automatically order 15 more to get you up to a max of 30. If you're at 29 of this item and you run the AutoPO module, Retail Pro will order one more to get you back up to your max of 30. If you're at 28, it will order two more to get you to 30. If you're at 29, it will order one more. Does that make sense? So you're always trying to maintain a certain level, in this case, the max quantity level. That's all you're really doing. Now, for some retailers, their max quantity level, or maybe even their min quantity level, could represent their replenishment point for a given item at a given store. So when they replenish goods every month, all they have to do is order back up to their min level, or order back up to the max level. And for them, given that that max level or that min level is basically their replenishment point, they're ordering enough to meet their needs. Now, before I complete this, let me go ahead and just filter out some POs that I know exist right now because I just created some POs. So I'll just filter out all POs from this month. Okay, so don't look at any POs, existing POs from this month, just because I want you to see some POs generated here. So then we'll continue on. So again, do not use my min level as the reorder point. Always try to maintain the max quantity level. No filtering, and finish. And here you go. So here's the items needed to get me back up to my max. So for example, here's an item that currently has 19. So Retail Pro is ordering 19 more to get them up to 30. Here's an item that's at 0. So Retail Pro is ordering 30 more to get them up to 30. And so on. Okay, here's an item that's at 10. So order 20 more to get them up to 30. Okay, so again, if you agree with the suggestions, you can hit OK. If you don't agree, you can uncheck these or manually modify the suggested order quantity. And when ready, select OK. And you're done. And here are the POs generated. Okay, that's it. That's using the AutoPO module to auto-generate purchase orders to maintain a certain quantity level.